The road began to wind gently through the Swiss countryside. Stone arches, quiet railway lines, and hills painted in shades of spring green passed by our window. There was nothing dramatic here. No crowds. No towering landmarks. Just a calm journey through a landscape that seemed carefully preserved by time. Somewhere beyond these trees lay one of Switzerland's most famous natural wonders. We couldn't see it yet. But with every turn of the road, we knew we were getting closer. The signs began to appear. The parking areas. The pathways. The anticipation. And soon, we would hear the voice of the Rhine. And then, there it was. My first glimpse of Rhine Falls. Not from a postcard. Not from a travel brochure. But standing right here, above the river, watching the water throw itself across the rocks. From a distance, it looked almost peaceful. But the sound told a different story. A deep, endless roar echoed across the valley. The closer I walked, the stronger it became. Every path seemed to lead toward the same destination. The river. The mist. The thunder. Around me, people slowed down. Some stopped to take photographs. Others simply stood still and watched. Because some places are too beautiful to hurry through. The river stretched calmly before the falls. As if gathering strength for the dramatic plunge ahead. Ancient stone buildings stood beside the water. Quietly witnessing centuries of flowing history. Generations have stood here. Listening to the same roar. Feeling the same cool breeze. Watching the same river race toward the edge. With every step downhill. Rhine Falls grew larger. Louder. And more impressive. The mist drifted into the sunlight. The water sparkled like thousands of moving diamonds. And for a moment, the noise of everyday life seemed very far away. There was only the river. The sound. And the excitement of getting closer to one of Switzerland's most unforgettable natural wonders. My eyes followed a splash of red in a sea of white water. There it was. The Swiss flag. Rising from the very heart of Rhine Falls. Tiny against the power of nature. Yet impossible to ignore. As the water thundered past. The flag stood quietly above it all. Not competing with nature. Simply belonging to it. Beyond the roar of the waterfall, another side of Rhine Falls began to reveal itself. A place where history, nature, and everyday life quietly meet. Across the bridge stood an old stone building, weathered by centuries, watching over the river as generations came and went. The water that had moments ago thundered over the falls now flowed calmly beside it. Carrying reflections of the sky and the surrounding forest. A bright red boat rested near the shore. Waiting for its next journey toward the heart of the falls. Travelers wandered along the pathways. Stopping for photographs. Sharing stories. And simply enjoying the moment. Beside me walked my friend Saharlal. Another traveler drawn by the same curiosity that brings people from around the world to this remarkable place. Together we crossed the bridge. Taking in the views from every angle. Sometimes travel is not about rushing from one attraction to another. Sometimes it is about slowing down. Noticing the details. And appreciating the atmosphere around you. We entered the old riverside building. Explored its stone corridors. And emerged beside a beautiful seating area overlooking the Rhine. Tables faced the river. Gentle breezes drifted across the water. Conversations blended with the sound of the current. And for a few peaceful moments. There was nowhere else to be. Just the river. The scenery. And the simple joy of being present in Switzerland. The river looked peaceful from a distance. Smooth. Calm. Almost silent. But beneath that calm surface, an incredible force was gathering. This is the Rhine River. One of Europe's great waterways. Carrying water from the Swiss Alps toward the North Sea. And here, at Rhine Falls, that journey becomes a spectacle of nature. Suddenly the gentle river transforms. Millions of liters of water rush forward every second, crashing over ancient rocks carved by glaciers thousands of years ago. The sound arrives before the spray. A deep, continuous roar that fills the air and vibrates through the ground beneath your feet. Standing here, you do not simply watch the waterfall. You feel it. The power. The movement. The energy of nature unleashed. Clouds of mist rise into the sky, drifting across viewing platforms and surrounding trees. Sunlight catches the spray, turning water into silver and crystal. In the middle of the falls stands the famous rock, crowned by the Swiss flag. Visitors climb its staircase for one of the most thrilling viewpoints in Switzerland. Surrounded by rushing water on every side. Below, the bright red boats navigate the turbulent currents, carrying travelers astonishingly close to the falls. From above they appear tiny. Yet against the immense power of the Rhine, they remind us how small we truly are. For a few unforgettable moments, everything else fades away. Only the roar of the water remains. Timeless. Powerful. And absolutely mesmerizing. Every journey has a moment when you must turn around and leave. Not because the beauty is gone, but because some places deserve to remain as memories. With the roar of Rhine Falls fading behind us, we began the walk back through quiet pathways. Across the river that moments earlier had shown its incredible power. The red boats rested at their docks. Visitors slowly drifted away. And life around the river returned to its gentle rhythm. Yet the sound of the falls remained with us. A reminder of nature's strength, its beauty, and its timeless presence. Some destinations impress the eyes. Others stay in the heart. Rhine Falls does both. As we made our way back to the waiting bus, one thing was certain. Switzerland had given us another memory that would last a lifetime.